Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to One of a Kind Exotics. Today we're here rebuilding the Acura NSX Part 2, and we're gonna be putting on the new brake pads that we just got, and then we're gonna be putting on these wheels for now, and then we're gonna be going on to doing some more other stuff. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so right here we changed the brakes and the rotors back to black and red. Alright guys, so we're gonna be putting on these wheels right now. Let's get started. So we gotta put them hand tight first so we don't strip it. Alright guys, so looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. But for now, we're gonna be putting on the rest of the brake pads, get them all done, and then we're gonna be putting all the wheels on. So let's go. Alright guys, so we got it all done, both sides, looking really good. Now we just have to finish the other side and we'll be set from there. Check this out guys, so right here, this is for the mirrors. What we did, carbon fiber, clear coated it, all that. We just have to re-scuff it, do all that good stuff, make sure all the air bubbles come out, all that, like you can see right there. Get that all out and trim it, trim all the edges, all this stuff right here, same as this part. And right here, drill a hole, because that's where the mirror is gonna be coming through. But yeah, just like that, we did a couple more other pieces. So alright guys, so right now we're just gonna trim this carbon fiber piece for the mirror all around. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so we completed the first piece. I just have to do a little, like, with another tool right here, just like clear all this stuff off, but it's looking pretty good so far. All I have to do is just scuff it and clear coat it. Just get all the edges off of here, like trim it like really nice. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other piece, and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so we installed the headlights. It's all ready, but I'm gonna give you guys a startup really quick. Showing you guys how we do it. Always keep it in neutral. E-brake on just for now. want to straight pipe the exhaust, make it way more louder than that. But let's turn off the car. Give you guys a little rev really quick. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video of me rebuilding my Acura NSX, please like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned until part 3. Peace out.